not fully developed, and hence limited sales by members of UNAC who are promoting these technologies. We also have limited technical capacity among the members to install and undertake repair services. There is a very high cost of clean cooking technologies compared to traditional methods, and limited end-user financing of quality clean cooking technologies are also affecting uptake of these technologies.
Then subsidize the product. Currently, I think, currently ours is the lowest priced product as 250,000. But on top of that, we have gone ahead to come up with other measures like PayGo, which is going to be initiated next year.
Now, clean cooking is helping people attain services at a relatively lower cost, and therefore, when money is saved, instead of using a lot of money on other sources of energy that are not clean but also costly, in a way you're also helping contribute to a reduction of poverty.
The World Bank's hybrid scheme and the innovative no-pole connection initiative, part of the Energy Scale-Up project, are set to revolutionize Uganda's electricity landscape. These ambitious projects aim to provide 1.5 million new connections, extending electricity coverage to an impressive 80% by 2030. When paired with Electricity Regulatory Authority's specialized cooking tariff, the electric pressure cookers market is poised for substantial growth. With these game-changing initiatives, the potential for cleaner, more efficient cooking and increased access to electricity becomes an exciting reality.
The equipment that you see there, your total budget of cooking will probably reduce by more than 50% if you exclusively use the electric pressure cooker compared to using charcoal. By the World Bank to the tune of over $600 million, and under that program specifically, connections are supposed to benefit, like my colleague said, to a tune of a minimum of 1.5 million connections.